Ever wondered, what will I consume on my trip? Hey, are you going vegan? Are you plant-based? Or you vegetarian? And do you worry about the ability to maintain your diet on your trip? I do sometimes. What will I eat? On my current trip, I was wondering, what am I going to eat? But then I said to myself, well, the whole world is going plant based, so I shouldn't have a problem. My daughter, on the other hand, she bought me stocks of soups and plant based protein. She wanted to ensure that I had enough to eat. But then again, you must remember that you can also pre order. So, in the case that you have the ability to order what you're going to consume on the airplane, you will be getting an email, pre-order your meals. Don't forget to pre-order your meals. My current trip, from one leg of my trip, they didn't have my pre-order meal, so I just had to have salad and bread and drink. That's all I had. On the second leg of the trip, though, my order was in place, so I got to consume what I ordered. So pre-order your meal, that's very important. Pack snacks. Just ensure that you have some nuts, some seeds. You can have some grains. You can have packets like these of meals that are easy to be used. So what I did for breakfast, I got up and I said, I wonder if I'll have enough protein there. I know I'll find fruits and veggies, maybe grains. I'll have cereal, but will I find enough protein? So I took my packet of plant-based protein and voila, I was surprised. I didn't need to use it because, of course, they had a whole plant-based section, a whole vegan section, and I tell you, the food was amazing. And you know what? So don't forget to check the menu when you sit at the restaurant. Don't forget to even ask your waiter, hey, what would you recommend for, do you have anything for plant-based? Or do you have anything that's plant-based? Do you have any vegan dishes? Don't forget to ask because you'll be amazed that you can find. So I had enough to consume and I felt full and satisfied. And of course, I never forget to get my fruits. So I walked around, and here at the fruit station, they had amazing tropical fruits. And as I mentioned, the whole world is going plant-based. So I had nuts, all different types of nuts were laid out in seeds just to ensure that I had enough. So next time you're traveling, don't hesitate to pre-order your meals. And then when you get to the restaurant or at the hotel, look around, ask questions, because you should be able to stick to your healthy diet. The world is going healthy, and you should find healthy so you can maintain a healthy diet so that your blood sugar can stay in check, your blood pressure will be okay. And if you're trying to lose weight, you can actually lose weight on your trip. Don't forget to ask. Ciao.